Okay, my healthy people, so if you want to learn how to make these delicious overnight oats recipe, then what? Keep watching this video. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner. I'm going to be making 3 overnight oats 3 different ways, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the main ingredients for overnight oats. A lot of you have been asking for a lot of breakfast ideas, but this is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's pretty much up to you, or as a snack. So before I get started, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. So, and also hit your bell so you can get your notifications, okay? This recipe will help to aid in your weight loss, okay? So this is old-fashioned oats, but you can use rolled oats. So this is one of the ingredients that you will need. You will also need some chia seeds, and you guys know I love to use chia seeds. Great source of fiber and also omega-3. Yogurt, I'm using plant-based yogurt. And you will need some plant-based milk. I am using almond milk, and this is the vanilla flavored, okay? If you're not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and check me out on Instagram as well, at Maxinescorner, and also on Facebook, where we post a lot of great things, and I don't want you to miss out. And that's also Maxinescorner on Facebook. You can find me there as well. The ingredients for this recipe will be available at Maxinescorner.com. There's going to be a link. I have in my jar 1 cup of oats. And this is old-fashioned oats. You can use rolled oats as well. The next thing I'm going to do is add some chia seeds. Once again, guys, the ingredients will be available at Maxinescorner.com. There's going to be a link. So simple and easy. The next thing that I'm going to add to this is going to be some milk. And once again, I told you guys this is my base for everything. So I'm going to add my milk. And the ingredients and the written recipe, once again, will be at Maxinescorner.com. I'll add some maple syrup, and then I'm just going to mix this around. I want to show you step by step how to make this, because I want you to know how simple and easy it is. And you guys know that the chia seeds we use sometimes for egg substitute. This is going to bind everything together and be very thick. All right, so you want to make sure that you mix everything together real well, okay? So now what I will do is I'm going to add some plant-based yogurt. Okay, so make sure to go and check out our 10-day cleanse at Maxinescorner.com. Some great recipes, wonderful to aid in your weight loss journey. Now I'm going to add my toppings. My toppings for the first one will be some pecans. Just going to add some bananas. Your first one, and just to make it pretty, sprinkle a little cinnamon over it. Completely optional, guys. Some cocoa nibs. Okay, my healthy people, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and assemble the other 2, and then I'm going to show you the toppings that I am going to be using to put those together. I'm going to add 1/8 teaspoons of cacao powder. Now I will just go ahead and give it a nice mix around. If you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this a big thumbs up. Okay, once again, this is for my chocolate lovers. Then I will add my plant-based yogurt. One, I will add some apples. I will add some peanut butter. You can add some dark chocolate chips. Delicious, simple, and easy but cheesy. All right, that's your second one. Let's do our third one. All right, so I've assembled that already. For this one, I'm going to add some granola. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some coconut flakes on top. And this is dehydrated coconut. I'm just going to bring it all the way up to the top like that. I am going to now show you the 3 overnight oats that we've made. These are our 3 overnight oats that we've made. Absolutely delicious. They're going to keep you full. They're going to help you to aid in your weight loss journey. And they are absolutely delicious. When I said delicious, I mean delicious. You can have these for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And also subscribe to the channel for more healthy recipes as well. In the comment section, please let me know which is your favorite of the 3. And I think that's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. And enjoy your wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time in another video. And what? Come on, say it with me. Stay healthy.